For the next hour, we ride a sandy track next to the railway line. And the Honda rallies actually handled the soft sand really well. Now it gets interesting. We need to get over this railway bridge. If you have ever tried to ride across railway tracks, those steel tracks are very slippery. Most of the guys opt to just carefully walk their Hondas across. I choose to ride down the middle. Then I start to wonder just how fast Cambodian trains are if one appears in the distance. I asked our lead rider afterwards and he said they are incredibly slow, thankfully.